Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Singh, and in this session we are going to discuss some concepts of 2D geometry. Let's look at some of the questions. So in our first question, it is given, let ABCD be a rectangle inscribed in a circle of radius 13 centimeter. Which one of the following pairs can represent in centimeter the possible length and breadth of ABCD? So four option is given to us. So for such questions, it is given to us that the radius of the circle is 13. So I can say OB is equals to 13. This implies OC is also 13. In other words, I can say the diameter of the circle is nothing but 13 plus 13, which is 26. Now this diameter is nothing but also the diagonal of this particular rectangle ABCD. I can say length square plus breadth square equals to hypotenuse square. L square plus B square is equals to 26 whole square. Now 26 square is nothing but 676. Now the question is saying the possible length and breadth of ABCD. Now for such questions where options are given to you and you have the equations, just always put the options in the equation. So I'll take the first option as 25. So 25 square plus 9 square, which is 625 plus 81, which is greater than this value. So this is not our answer. Let's take 24. 24 is again 576 plus 144. This is also greater than 676. This is also not our answer. 2410, 576 plus 100, which is 676. So this can be our answer. And lastly 2510, 625 plus 100, which is 725, again greater than 676. So our answer to this question is option C, that is 2410. Let's look at the solution to this question. Moving on to the next question. In a parallelogram ABCD of area 72 square centimeter, the sides CD and AD have lengths 9 centimeter and 16 centimeter respectively. Let P be a point on CD such that AP is perpendicular to CD, then the area in square centimeter of the triangle APD is. So I have one parallelogram. Let's name it as ABCD, and area of this parallelogram ABCD is given to me as 72 square centimeter. Area of parallelogram is nothing but base into height. I know the value of this CD as 9 centimeter and AD this value as 16 centimeter. I'll take the value it is given to me as P, where AP is perpendicular to CD. Now I know this value 16, I know this value 9, and I know the area of this parallelogram. So I'll take the value of height is nothing but 72 equal to base is 9 centimeter. Height we don't know, we have to calculate it. So height comes out to be 9 8s are 72. So height is 8 centimeter. So this value AP comes out to be 8. Now I need to find the area of this triangle. So I have this height, I need to find the base. Base I can calculate as PD is equals to root of 16 square minus 8 square. This is nothing but 256 minus 64. This comes out to be root of 192. This value is 8 root 3. Now for area of triangle APD, half into base into height. Base is 8 root 3. Height is again 8. This comes out to be 32 root 3. So our answer to this question is 32 root 3. Let's look at the solution to this question. Moving on to the next question. A parallelogram ABCD has area 48 square centimeter. If the length of CD is 8 centimeter and that of AD is S centimeter, then which one of the following is necessarily true? Now I need to find a relationship of S with terms of numbers. So for such questions where nothing is given to us, we'll take the basic concepts of triangles. So this parallelogram consists of two triangles, that is this triangle and this triangle as well. So I can say area of parallelogram is equals to twice of area of triangle ACD. So area of parallelogram is 48, twice of area of triangle ACD. So area of triangle ACD comes out to be 24. So area of triangle can be calculated as half into S into 8 into sine of angle between this value, these two sides. So sine of angle ADC. This turns out to be 24. Now this is 4S, S into sine of angle ADC is nothing but 6. I know that the value of sine is always less than or equals to 1. So in other words, I can say this, the value of this sine ADC is always less than equal to 1. So I need to find the value of this. So now if any value is lesser than 1 and I put that in the denominator, this will always be greater than 6 only. So our answer to this question comes out to be S is greater than equal to 6. Let's look at the solution to this question. Moving on to the next question. The area of a rectangle and the square of its perimeter are in the ratio 1:25. Then the lengths of the shorter and the longer side of the rectangle are in the ratio. The question is saying area of a rectangle, so area upon square of its perimeter, that means perimeter square. The value is given to me is 1:25 or 1/25. Now area of a rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. And this is whole square. If I solve this, this will become 25 times of LB is equals to 4 times of L plus B whole square. This will become L square plus B square plus 2 times of LB. Again solving it, this will become 25 LB, 4 times of L square plus B square plus 8 LB. If I solve this, this will become 17 LB is equals to 4 times of L square plus B square. Eventually it will become L square plus B square is equals to 17 by 4 LB. Now again, for such question, the question is asking then the length of the shorter and longer side of the rectangle are in the ratio. Now in the ratio itself, it is given to me that the length is shorter. So for this question as well, we need to go for the options only. So I'll assume this value as x and 4x. Now 17 by 4 into x into 4x is equals to L square, that is x square, B square, that is 4x square. This turns out to be 17 by 4 into 4 into x square, and this is 17x square. So this will become 17 square equal to 17x square. So we can say this value is justifying this equation. Now we need to solve this question with other values as well. So in other words, I can say this is my answer, but I'll check it for second option as well. So 2x and 9x. So 17 by 4 into 2x into 9x. 2x square is 4x square. 9x square is 81x square. So this value comes out to be in points, whereas this value comes out to be integer. So I can say this is not my answer. Try to solve this question with both the options as well, C and D, and you'll find that these two will not justify this equation. So our answer to this question is option A only, that is 1:4. Let's look at the solution to this question. Moving on to the next question. The question is saying from a rectangle ABCD of area 768 square centimeter, a semicircular part with diameter AB and area 72 pi square centimeter is removed. The perimeter of the leftover portion in centimeter is. So in this question, a rectangle is given to us as ABCD. So BC into AB is given to us as 768. Now a semicircular part with diameter AB and area 72 pi square centimeter is removed. Now area of semicircle is nothing but this is AB by 2. Now pi r square. So this will become AB by 2 into AB by 2. So this is nothing but pi by 4 AB square. This is given to us as 72 pi. So the value of this pi get to cancel. AB square is nothing but 72 into 4. Also this is semicircle, so I'll add 1 by 2 in it. So AB square is nothing but 576. This is implies AB is nothing but 24. So I know the value of AB and DC is 24. I need to find the value of BC. So BC comes out to be 768 divided by 24, 32 centimeter. So the value of AD and BC comes out to be 32. So I know this value AB is 24, BC is 32. Now the perimeter of the leftover portion is nothing but this is pi. Perimeter of this is, so perimeter of whole circle is 2 pi r. So perimeter of semicircle is nothing but pi r. Now r for this case is 12. This is nothing but 12 pi. This value is 12 pi. Now perimeter of remaining thing is 32 plus 32 plus 24 plus 12 pi. So this value comes out to be 64 plus 24 plus 12 pi. This is nothing but 88 plus 12 pi. So our answer to this question is option D, 88 plus 12 pi. Let's look at the solution to this question. Well, that's all for this session. Stay tuned with us for more such videos. Thank you.